Okay, once you have created a new application from the template, Bubble should automatically open that up for you, and this would be basically the view you would be met with. Now, during the creation of this app from the template, I did go ahead and select the start with the free trial. So inside of my settings area, you can see that I am on the trial with 14 days at the cost there. And as mentioned in other videos, to be able to make use of this, you do need to be on a paid subscription. So once you are set in creating a new application from the template, and you're going to use that as your starting point for your application, so therefore you do not need to integrate the template features into an existing app. Instead, you're just working within this new app created from the template. All you really need to do to get started is go to plugins, click onto the Schedule Me Bookings and Scheduling plugin. You'll notice here that it says it's a paid plugin. You please need to click here to subscribe again. You'll confirm that subscription. It's a $30 a month subscription fee. Once that has been updated, then you will see and notice that you now have the most up-to-date. You will then be needing to get the different values that are required here into the plugin. So one of the first areas that you would be looking at is to be able to set up all of the settings in the application that are needed to be able to use here. These are associated with API calls. There is also a need to get your time zone database, which is a free API provider for time zones. So we'll have separate videos for each of these setting areas to be able to cover. Otherwise, every single one of these other plugins, they are free and would therefore be automatically installed. The API connector is there, it's not in use. So we have these plugins. This Schedule Me Bookings does need to be subscribed to in order for the template to function.